Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Nissan Rogue SV in gunmetal. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 42,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6958.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.